Hello, my name is Ector. Welcome back to the wonderful world of Ectoria. How is everyone doing? I hope you are doing really well wherever you may be and having a grand old day. I'm doing well, thanks. We've been doing a lot of landscaping and terraforming on my live streams on Twitch recently. We've done all of this stuff. Look at it. Look at all of this looking a lot cooler now, as you can see. And then yesterday on Twitch we did all of this here. So we just about done all of this. And we added another path here and these awesome custom trees, which I'm really quite happy with. So if we come down here, you can see we have a path all the way to the bazaar, which is excellent, very nice. And then we have here these lovely looking trees. I think they're lovely looking. Let's have a little look-see over here. There we go, look at that, and I think I'm going to have one more. I just didn't have the time to finish it on stream, but there you go. I think they look pretty nice, so we're gonna be adding, I think, some more custom trees around. I'm just growing a giant spruce tree, and just to not get any pods all anywhere. But yeah, looking, I think, rather great. So, today, what we're going to do, well, we are going to, finally, we are going to be starting this project over here. And of course, you probably already know what it is because of the thumbnail. But I want a better place for my enchanting table. And I think what's going to happen is that we're going to have like a tower here. Sort of like a mage tower type thing. Ish, but it's going to be about here. So I think my nether portal that's been here since the very beginning is going to have to go. We do have another one. We do have another one like over there. There we go. And we are going to be making a new nether portal soonish. So this is going to go, I think. So let's just, there we go. Take it down. It's been here so long. It's a little bit sad. I mean, not really, but, you know, just a smidge of sadness, just at that. So, I need to, basically, I have no real design in mind. I have, like, thoughts and ideas. So this is going to be, it's going to be interesting. So I'm going to take some of this away, and I think we're also going to take this away, as it doesn't really fit in anymore into the old, you know, all the pathway system. So I'm probably going to take a lot of this away. Can I? There we go. Lovely stuff. Excellent, like that. We'll take all of that away, and that just gives us a little bit more space. And I think we might take, yeah, we might take this little bit away. I might have to add a bit more of this little hill here, but what I'm going to do is, I think generally we're going to make it out of a lot of stone brick, but, you know, interspliced with some other stuff. So as the sun sets, I'm going to do a bit more stuff, get some stuff together, and then, yeah, we can start working on that. Phase 1 of the tower has been completed, and I think that's, you know, about the height that I want it, I think. What I'm going to do now is, let's make some more. That's not at all what I wanted. There we go. Let's do it that way. There we go. What I'm going to do now is, I think I want something like this for the sort of sides. Like that. I think. Like, you know, something along those lines, and just to maybe actually more, even higher, and then that maybe 3. And what I thought is these could sort of come down a little bit as well. You know, if basically we can do it like something like that, then we will. So like that. I thought that would be quite cool if that sort of looks like it's coming down. Down everywhere, basically. Maybe we put one more there. Oh, no, hey, whoop. Like that. So it looks like it's, you know, coming down a lot more. I thought that would be cool, and I think it is. I don't know if it's... Obviously here, see, this is where this bit goes wrong, which is sort of why or 5, I think, something like that. Which is why I'm going to have to change all of that, which is, you know, it's fine. We can do that. You there, then 1, 2 there. Oh, maybe is it just that? Yeah, I think it is. Like that, and then we do like a U here or something like that. I don't know. I'll have to sort that out. But you sort of get what I'm going for. And of course, we are going to be doing some like replacement. So I don't want all of this to be brick. I want we'll be doing like bits of that just to calm it down. Also, I don't want it to just be 5 by 5. So that's what it is so far. It's just like a 5 by 5 tube. So if we go in here, and I should probably open this up as well, we've just got that. And I just thought that would be a good base to start off with, but I think we'll be adding a lot of other, can I get out? A lot of other like little bits, little twiddly bits and, you know, mage towery bits to sort of do that. But anyway, I want to start with the thing that I have on top. So obviously this is meant to be, and it's sort of inspired by mage towers. But I can't even get around now. What I want is a replacement for my enchanting table setup. So that's what I want at the top of this, is like a little enchanting setup. And at some point I probably should have like a brewery type thing. That's a good idea. A brewery. Yes. Okay, so I'll be doing that. That's a great idea. So I want obviously something along this. Something along these lines. But up there, and the thought I had is to have like a glass ball, so sort of like, you know, like a magic ball, you know, to see into the future, that type of thing up there. So that's what I'm going to start building up there now. I probably need a lot more glass, and I think I was thinking about doing it like white glass, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I will end up doing. I've got some white glass. What does that look like currently? Maybe. I'm not sure. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. I'm going to be making like a glass ball, and I'll try and figure out what glass I'm going to be making it out of. Righty ho, I'm almost finished with this. And this is just the last little bit here that I need to finish off. I decided to go for white. I think it looks the nicest, and I think it will look, well, just the best. I did think about doing like another colour, but I wanted it fairly transparent. So this is a 15 diameter glass ball, and I got the dimensions from Plots, the website, plotz.co.uk, and you can like put stuff in there and get loads of different shapes for Minecraft. It's great. So let us go down and sort of have a little look-see. Oh wow, it is quite big. There we go. There you go. So right now it obviously looks a little bit insane. With how that looks, because nothing joins up yet. So what I want to do is sort of how we started to do like these things down here. I want to do a little bit of that up there as well. That's sort of going to be in the thing. I think this probably is going to be the entrance here. So I would like, I don't know, something like, you know, that for an entrance, just to make it look a little bit more entrancey, you know. I don't know, something like that. And then I need to figure out how we get up there, because I don't know yet. Maybe I don't really want it to be a ladder system. I was thinking we could have a water stream that just shot us up, maybe. But then getting down is another problem. So I don't know yet. I'm uncertain as to how to proceed with that yet. If I made like an opening up there, we could maybe have just like an exit so that I could just fly down like I just did a second ago from the top. So I don't know. But first of all, I'm going to put some of these on here and see if we can, you know, do something like that with all of this. but up there. Right then, I've done a lot of work. Boom, look at that. It is sort of coming together. Oh, and it is nighttime. What I've done, I've replaced like all of the bricks. I've made it like more haphazard using some cracked stone, andesite, and a fair bit of stone as well. And then you can see I've tried to make it like go curvy like that. And I've just been adding this middle bit here, which I don't know. I'm not that sure about yet. Let's do that. There we go. It's sort of coming together. You can see I've just added a little bit of cobblestone wall. I thought that could be maybe interesting, and it sort of is. I sort of also feel that this bit is like, it's too blocky. Too much block, but I do like the curve it creates. And then I think what we'll have is like maybe a window there and a window there on every side. I do like how this looks. I think that looks pretty cool. If we look over here, you can sort of see the same. So I've done that on all sides. I've been working on the middle just now. There we go. Let's do that, so we don't pick up any more of those things. And I think, yeah, I think it's coming together basically. It looks pretty cool. It's another really cool, I think, like eye-catching build. I think anyway. Obviously we haven't put any of the our enchanting setup here yet, but yeah, I think this is coming together, and actually it's looking rather good. It's looking rather good. It's actually working, I think. It's actually working. I think yeah, look at that. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I think that looks rather excellent. I'm like patting myself on the back. There you go. Well done, Ector. So I just tried to put some purple into the mix, which is why actually I ended up making the purple farm that we built a couple of episodes ago. Was it last episode? I think it was last episode. I was intending to add some purple into the mix, but I just couldn't get it right. But anyway, look what we have. Yeah, so I've sort of added like an X type thing and added cobblestone walls at the edges, and I think it looks really quite cool. I'm pretty pleased with how that is turning out. The only thing I don't like so far is that it's very grey, and I've been trying to add like different colours into it and whatnot, but it just doesn't feel that right. So what I've also been thinking is that I probably won't have the door there. I'll rip this out at some stage, and we'll have like a little path that comes round, and then we'll come in here, and then I'll do something to that. For now, what I'm doing is using the stairs, and I've got my enchanting table and bookshelves. So I thought we'd try and put them somewhere to make this make sense. I don't know exactly how we're going to do this yet, but for the moment, let's just do that, just so I can't fall back down. So say we come up here, and my immediate thought was to put the bookshelves around here. So this is all visible. I've like removed some of the glass that was in here, but I think basically that this does, or at least it should do the thing that we need it to. Now then, yeah, so usually we have that. So I might actually end up doing that, like making another bookshelf there to close that gap. And then basically our enchanting table needs to go like here, doesn't it? Does this just go? Yeah, all the way around. Excellent. So we don't have to worry about that too much. So this is the thing that I need to sort of think about. If we have stairs or whatever, they need to, obviously we can do this here, and then do that, or do I want it a little bit higher up on this floor here? Ooh, I think I might actually. I don't know how much I want visible in the glass ball, but I think actually because of these things here, like the little tendril-y things at the sides, I think that would work for this to be, yeah, for this to be here. And now the only problem is we still have the issue that if I do a water stream up here, I've got no way out, So I have to sort of think about something like that. And do I like put a window here that I can just jump out of? And if I do have a water stream in the middle, then obviously this is going to be in the middle at some stage. So that is going to be in the way. So yeah, a few things yet to consider. And yeah, is that just our exit like so? But otherwise, I'm pretty pleased. You can see just a hint of bookcase. So yeah, maybe we can make that a little bit more obvious. I've done this thing. I've done a thing. I'm not sure exactly if I like it, but I quite like it. And I don't know if this is going to interrupt, because I know light usually does, but I don't know if it's far enough away. It's been a while since I've messed around with stuff like this. Let's get you and you. My testing things. I can still get up to level 30. Yes, I can. Excellent stuff. So, let's just put that there for now. Let's get the magnet off. And this is looking, I think, pretty cool. I don't still have a way down. That is the only thing I'm missing at the moment. And that is the next thing I'm going to sort out. I think I need 1 or 2 more bookshelves just to, I don't know, blend all of this in. It's almost night. Let's just go down and have a little look-see at this. So I've just still been using this. But if we swing down here, oh, hey, yeah, look at that. I think that's all right, actually. I think that's quite nice that we see something in there. You can almost can't really see it. What I was thinking is maybe as well we add some more bookshelves down here, just so it gives us a little bit of a hint at what it is. And I was thinking maybe we add some obsidian as well, because obviously that is what that is about. And it is getting to be nighttime, so yeah, more bookshelves and maybe some obsidian as well. Right then, so I've been smelting rotten flesh to get leather, which, just in case you're wondering, it is a data pack, okay? This is a data pack, and I think a pretty handy one, because I've been making a lot of bookshelves. A lot of bookshelves. I've got a fair amount of paper already. I do need some kelp. There we go. So this is what I've been doing, smelting down some leather, flesh to get leather, to make the bookshelves. And I went out and got a lot more obsidian, and wow, that is what I sort of came up with. So let me just briefly talk you through it. So we've got like a ring of obsidian, which I quite like. It's subtle, it's not too much. And then just a whole thing of bookshelves, which is a lot of bookshelves. I've already gone through a lot of wood and stuff to get that. So I think, do I have? Yeah, there's a lot of wood there that I'm gonna, I think, pilfer. And I think it's a little bit flat. That's the only thing I don't like about it. It's very flat, but I do think it looks quite interesting. It's a bit different. I don't think I've ever worked with bookshelves in that sense before. Like, and the only thing I thought maybe we could do is perhaps just like take these out and put like these here like that. Maybe. Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know about that at all. So I'm gonna have to mess around with that a little bit more. Dang it. There we go. Like that. And I can't remember what I had here. Doesn't matter. Let's just put those there. I don't think that will work. I think that is the best thing. And then what I've got around here, I've only done one side yet, so I need to cover that bit up. What I've got here is this stuff. So I need to place some kelp. There we go. Let's do that then first. Oh, really? There we go. Let's do that. Can I put kelp? Yes. We're just replacing the kelp. Not replacing the kelp. The kelp is replacing all of the stuffs to make ourselves, hopefully at least, hopefully it should, yeah, this all should be water source blocks. I'm sort of forgetting what I'm doing. Right, so if we do that now, and hopefully if we do that and then put the soul sand back, that should get us up there. Bam, and then that basically gets us to this little bit here. And what I've done is I've put little stairs, just stairs on each like corner, each of the 4 corners. I've added chests in... Ouch. I've added chests in each corner. I quite like that you see the bookshelves going up as well. There we go. So right, let's do that again. Let's do it on this side. I've added chests and I've added anvils in the center and then a crafting table as well. And now what that was is I've left me a hole here so I can get out. I don't know if I'm going to do that on every side. But that sort of, I don't know. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know if we can, you know, use that. But basically I can just get out that way, you know, essentially, which I think works. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this on all the other bits. And then I think we've got a done mage tower, enchanting tower. I don't know what to call it, but I'm pretty pleased with how it's sort of turned out, actually. Yeah, I'm quite happy. Would you look at that? Ah, yeah, it is basically done. I had to make like a stack of bookshelves, but we got there, and thankfully I had enough wood available. I've done all the sides now. Just about had enough obsidian. I've also added stairs in those bits, and it just adds a little bit more texture, I think, to the tower itself, and I think it makes the line like a little bit less flat. At least it does to me. And I did think, like, had that been the same size as that, so if you can see, that's actually got 2 in the middle, whereas this has got 3, and what that does, I think, at least to me, is when we look at it like this, this looks farther away. It's like a bit of a perspective trick, but it's a shame, because otherwise I would have maybe done something in the middle there, like maybe... I don't know, like a lantern or something. I did think at one point of like having little things come out with lanterns dropping down. We maybe do something like that as well. But I think honestly, I'm pretty happy with how this has like turned out. I think that's a really cool little build to have, like a crystal ball type mage tower, mage wizard tower. I don't know. It's nothing really wizardry, but I suppose we do the magics up there with the enchanting. So it sort of is. So hopefully you are liking that build. I'm pretty happy with that. How that has turned out. I think we've done some good builds recently. You know, the mushroom and now the mage tower thing, the crystal ball. And we had that last time, which is, yeah, just about all ripe. So I think we've done well. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you have, a like or comment is very much appreciated, as is subscribing to the channel for more builds like this. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Ector. This has been the wonderful world of Ectoria, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.